$100 bill. Coin roll hunting. Let's get it done. Should I zoom in some more? A little bit more. All right, so just got these from the bank. And, ooh, already there. Look, low serial number. Hold on, I'll put this on top. We try to put these all facing the same way so that when I review them, I'm using some used scratcher tickets as a table mat here. It's not really a low serial number, but it sort of is, but we'll still keep it. This one just looks all lit up by the signature. Yeah, 2 more 8s, because it would have been 88888. Okay, I'm trying not to. Our mission right now is to just put them all the same way. This is pretty beat up. Now, if you go to the ATM and pull out $100, okay, I'm just guessing you also hear some of you may be scratcher people, and you say, man, what's up with this, man? Give me another scratcher ticket. What? Oh my goodness! 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. So, anyways, what was he talking about? I'm distracted. I get emotional like that. So, anyways, look. So, if you go to the ATM, to the bank, you just say, yo, you go pull out whatever you're gonna spend, $20, $100, $100 throughout the month. You just, I would say, this is what I do. I'm not gonna tell you what to do. This is what I do. I go to the bank. Can you get, 100 singles or more, or depending on how many coins I've already rolled up. So I need to go dump some coins actually that I've already checked. So make sure they're all facing the same way. Where was I at? This is cut off center. So yeah, so another 777. I'm gonna keep this to the side because that is probably the 8th or 9th 7777 bill I've gotten this week. Okay, so now that we're here, angle myself a bit. Make sure it's in focus. Hold on. So first we look what I'm just focused on the year, and I'm collecting 1999 and below. Maybe I'll keep a 2001 if it's nice and clean. I would have kept this one if it was 357 complete. Hold on. We'll get to there. Let me set the camera. 2013. And then I keep the ones I'm picking apart right here next to it. So that way when I go to my pile that's already been picked, if I win 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, but I would just put 1, 2, 3, or 5 back in this stack here. So and again, the reason I checked the years is one time I got a 1969 $1 bill, and it came like this, right? It might change. Well, this is from the bank, right? But I got it in change. This here's a 1989. We'll keep this one. And I could be looking back and forth, but I'd be like, no, let me just focus on one thing at a time here. And what was it? Because we hit something else. I'm confused now. Then, just put your stash down. Germs, germs, germs. I like a lot of zeros too, like this. I would have kept it if it was just a nicer condition. Anyways. Yeah, you never know what you have there. And so anyways, that $1969 bill, and it just looked like a regular 2017. Because there's a lot of 2017s and 13s. There are a lot out there right now. I just thought, whatever, right? Just a dollar bill. But I looked at the year. I'm like, no way. I was like, yeah, like my dog was like that, barking. Like, what the hell is this? And oh, hang on. You see, here's something. Look, 14, 14. Ooh, 10, 14. We're keeping this one. No way. I think my dog was telling me, look, 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 look. I'm still gonna call that serial number 14, 14, 14, 14. It was so close to just having a repeater there. So anyway, stuff like that. And again, if we would have had more nines, more eights on here, I would have kept that. At least 5 of the same digits. But all right, where was it? Okay. So anyways, that dollar bill is worth $30 on eBay, and that's according to last year's market. It's 2004 now. 2024. This takes a little bit more concentration because I'm looking at what is it? If it's a repeater, a birthday note, a broken ladder, a sequential. And you can look at different other videos on YouTube and find out, or if we see a repeater 13, 13, 13, 13, or even looking for bleeding numbers. I got the other day, even this gets my attention at times. I think 7, 8, 9. I find out it would have been 7, 8, 9, 1, 0. It would have been 10. But and so we say, man, well, who's gonna buy it? This was almost it. But I could tell there's no 2 in there right away. 0, 1, look, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Close. Or it was something smeared. But anyways, what happened was, so we're like, well, where do you go and cash them? I've got one thing about in here. I would think like 2011, right? Like, is this funny? I'm trying to see if there's any numbers. Like, if that was 2011, then a 0, that could be like, it would have been February 4th. It would have been 0, and then 2011, and then 0. It could have been that date. And then sometimes I just look at stuff because the shape, right? Because when I see 2 zeros, I could be like, is that a repeater or what? I sort of want this one. Okay, I'm getting confused now because I'm thinking about numbers here. I'm looking for sequentials. And again, a broken ladder, once you see 2 numbers the same, that's not it. And then, where was I at? What does this stand out? 5, 6, 7, 8. 0, 6, 5, 5. And so I'm also looking, see how that 8 is pretty heavy? You see, I think this is No. And I can tell just because there's another 8. Look at this. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 1, 8, 7, 3, 3, 2, 3. So 187, I really don't like those numbers because it let's see, look, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. But it's just 0, so it's not connected. So yeah, even this 3, you know, 619. I would have kept it if it would have said instead of 319, 619. So it would have been 619, 39, 619. At least the Rey Mysterio one. See, this could be something here, right? The year 2006, but let's say if it was 0906, right? Or 0506, it'd be like 5, was that May 6, 2006, a birthday note. Some way, somehow, right? Okay, so anyways, that 1969 note, it was worth $30, and I could have just spent it and bought a scratcher with it, and lost on it. Look, I lost on many of them, but can I win while purchasing? And you know, that's why I say, you know, go get some singles. Oh, again, this is the same note. You see, I should have put it to the side, but there it is. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 5. I did it again. And then I just had to stop and look at it to make sure. 7970976. If only this would have been 7799. Okay, something there. And then but yeah, do that, man. Just or even here, right? 6363, but no. If only that 7 had been a 0. Or 357, 357. Could have saved that as well as a 357. 7. See another close one. I see like 7654. Nope. It would have been 7654321. It would have been something. You know, I don't think I've ever had that many close sequentials in one hand. You know, which would have been close to 62888888. We're close. All right, here's something. 29219. But no, if only this had been a 12, it would have been something. Maybe 2006, maybe? Yeah, 2006. You have to be careful here. I'm going to put this in the front too because it's taped up. So when I stack it up, hopefully it reads it when I throw it back into the bank. And can be like, yeah, you know, can I get $100 bill? And then go buy something from the store. It's only a couple bucks. And be like, yeah, can I get the change in singles? Okay, that's it. Because of the ones. But no, nothing there. Close, so close. If only that would have been 0002, 99 of that, you know, low serial number. That would have been something. Hold on. Oh, close. Because it would have been like 3, 4. If only that 2 would have been a 4 or a 5. Because it would have been 3, 4, 4, 5. Close. Which was I'm trying to think who was the banker, the bank teller that gave me this. Where did I get those from? Hopefully she's there again. 6969. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we already have those So once you got to the side, right? Then what we do here, there's the remember first we check for the dates, the years to get the old ones. We check the serial numbers. Last, since the numbers already checked, put it this way, and I look for an X here. The letter X. That means it's the last print run of the series of the serial numbers. And then I think I have a total of 4 X notes total. And look how common they are. See? Then I'm also looking to see if this letter or the last letter is touching the leaf and saying that's misaligned. I've only had one of those, and I've been through a lot of stacks. Is it on the camera? Yeah, okay. Pretty sure I could smell. I'm breathing through my mouth right now because I'm pretty sure there's some real funky smell right here. Hold up. Look at the camera. It's also let's see, W, right? W X. The next one is X. So look at how uncommon even the W is. But again, you want the X as that's the one that's least common. So what we would want is sequential X note. All right, so that's it for now. I'll just put these back, and let's just look at what we found, right? 14, 14, 14, 14. A little booger right there. Here's another one. Keeping this one. Keeping this 1999. Keeping the 7777. And I'm gonna throw this one back into the wild. It's if only that 8 would have been a 0. I'm trying to go for at least 4 low serial numbers. I should just keep it just for the heck of it, just to have it here. And it's a new one. Look, it's 2021 and it's all beat up already. All right. Well, it's beat up. No, you never know. Look, we'll throw it back in. Why? Because what if I turn it back in and I could find something nicer and a lower serial number? Yeah, we'll do that. It's not very low. Out. To be continued. Again, so we got 1, 2, 3 notes. I'm gonna get 3 of my dollars thrown in the stack. And we're good.